Let's take a quick journey together. Imagine your favorite meal. Think about where the ingredients come from, how they're grown, and the resources it takes to get them to your plate. The truth is, the way we produce food today isn't sustainable. But what if we could make it better? The food system we rely on today uses tons of water, energy, and land. It leads to pollution, food waste, and even loss of biodiversity. If we keep doing this way, we'll exhaust natural resources and damage the environment. As the global population grows, we need to produce more food. But with the current system, that's a problem. Climate change, resource depletion, and environmental damage are making food production harder and more expensive. So, what can we do about it? The answer lies in sustainable food engineering, an approach where food production works in harmony with nature. This isn't about just reducing harm, but about actively improving the environment while we produce food. One exciting solution is aquaponics. This is a system where fish and plants grow together in a closed loop. The fish produce waste that feed the plants, and the plants clean the water for the fish. It's a way to grow food efficiently with less water and no need for harmful fertilizers. Aquaponics uses up to 90% less water than traditional farming because the water is recycled in the system. It also doesn't require harmful pesticides. The plants get nutrients from the fish waste and the fish thrive in cleaner water. It's a win-win for both food and the environment. To start an aquaponics system, you only need a small space. It can be done indoors or in urban areas, so it's perfect for cities. It takes a bit of knowledge to balance the fish and plant health, but once set up, it's low maintenance and highly efficient. Another innovative solution is upcycled food. This is the process of taking food that would normally go to waste, like imperfect fruits, vegetables, or byproducts from food processing, and turning it into something new and nutritious. Around 1.3 billion tons of food are wasted every year. Upcycling helps reduce that waste by finding its new ways to use what would otherwise be thrown away. By using food that's still safe and nutritious, we can feed people without putting pressure on the environment. Upcycled food products are already on the market. Think snacks made from surplus, fruits or breads made from leftover grains. By working with local food producers and retailers, we can create a market for upcycled foods and cut down on waste. Plant-based foods are gaining popularity for a good reason. Growing plants generally uses fewer resources than raising animals. Switching to more plant-based meals can help reduce the environmental impact of food production. Plant-based foods requires less water, land, and energy compared to animal products. They also release fewer greenhouse gases. By increasing the amount of plant-based food we eat, we can significantly reduce our carbon footprint and make food production more sustainable. Encouraging plant-based diets can start with the small changes, like incorporating more plant-based meals into our daily routine. As demand grows, more businesses will offer plant-based products, making it easier for everyone to make sustainable food choices. Another great solution is building local food systems. This means buying food that's grown locally, reducing the need for long transportation routes, and supporting small-scale farmers. Local food systems reduce carbon emissions from transportation, improve food security, and help keep money in local communities. When food is grown closer to where it's eaten, it's fresher and has smaller environmental footprint. Supporting local food systems can be as simple as shopping at farmers markets, joining a community-supported agriculture program, or choosing locally grown produce at grocery stores. The more we support local, the more sustainable our food systems become. A zero-waste kitchen is another powerful idea for reducing food waste. The idea is to use everything you buy, whether it's food scraps, peels, or leftovers, and turn it into something useful. This is not only reduces waste but also save us money. By cutting down on food waste, we save resources like water, energy, and land. Instead of throwing away leftovers or scraps, we can compost, reuse, or recycle them. This helps reduce the environmental impact of food production and waste. Start by planning meals, buying only what you need, and getting creative with leftovers. Compost food scraps and recycle packaging when possible. Over time, these small changes add up to big reductions in waste. In conclusion, sustainable food engineering is about making smarter, more efficient choices in how we produce, consume, and waste food. By embracing innovative ideas like aquaponics, upcycled food, plant based diets, local food systems, and zero waste kitchens, we can transform the food system into something better for both people and the planet. The power to change is in our hands. Let's get started.